In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Canva into your Google Docs for a seamless creative experience. This powerful combination allows you to enhance your documents with Canva's robust design features right within Google Docs. Let's jump right into it. First things first, head over to Google Documents by opening your preferred web browser and logging into your Google account. You'll find Google Docs in the Apps menu or by simply searching for it in the search bar. Once in Google Docs, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll see a variety of options. Look for Extensions. Click on it to open a new drop-down menu. Now, let's move to the next step by pointing your mouse cursor to Add-ons in the drop-down menu. You'll want to click on Add-ons for the next move, which opens a new window for you. This will bring up a marketplace where you can search and install tools that enhance your Google Docs experience. In the search bar of the Google Workspace Marketplace, type in Canva. What we're doing here is looking for the Canva add-on specifically designed for Google Docs. Click on the Canva option that appears in the search results. You will notice a familiar Canva logo accompanied by details about the add-on's features and benefits. Next, you'll want to install Canva as an add-on. Simply click the Install button. Google may prompt you for permissions or authentication to proceed with the installation. Don't worry, it's a safe process. Approve any necessary permissions to finalize the integration. This process ensures Canva becomes a part of your Google Docs suite. Once installed, Canva is now successfully integrated into your Google Docs. You can now access it anytime you are creating or editing a document. Head back to the extensions in Google Docs and you will see Canva listed there. From here, you can start integrating designs into your documents seamlessly. With Canva at your fingertips, you can now utilize all its powerful creative features directly within Google Docs. Whether it's creating visually stunning graphics, layouts, or incorporating engaging templates, the possibilities are endless. This integration streamlines your workflow, enabling you to bring your creative ideas to life with greater ease and efficiency. As you explore this new addition, remember to experiment with different designs and let your creativity flourish. Whether you're crafting a presentation, an engaging report, or a simple document that needs that extra touch of artistry, Canva with Google Docs offers you the tools to make it happen. Thanks for following along and enjoy your enhanced creative experience.